So today we are going, let me put the bag upright. Oh, never mind, now y'all can't see it. All right, so today we are going to make Kung Pao chicken. All right, with broccoli. That's how we gonna do it. All right, and now we gotta take that white stuff out. I am almost finished. I gotta take out these little pieces right here. I got this last one to do. All right, so the chicken is cooking. I'm going to wait till the water disappears. Then I'm going to add the Kung Pao chicken and the broccoli. So the chicken needs to cook a little bit more, but hey, did y'all know that this little piece right here is for a spoon holder? Just found that out today. But I need to wait until the water all goes away, and I will have a part 2 to this video.